Did you know you can go from zero to over $3,000 in less than 2 hours? And it's completely free? You can set this up once and receive automatic payments from anywhere in the globe. So if you want to earn this passive income, be sure to watch every second of this video because I'll show you precisely how to set it up. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Okay, now let's get started with the step-by-step instruction. And I strongly advise you to follow along as we go. So at the conclusion of the video, you'll be ready to make some quick bucks. And of course, if you stick around until the conclusion of the video, I'll tell you how to optimize your profits and make far more money if you simply utilize this one website. Anyway, this is already available on Zazzle.com. This is a print-on-demand website, and it's a place where consumers come to purchase various items produced by average people like you and me. So regular people may come here and post their own creations. And don't worry, you don't need any design abilities to achieve this since we won't be utilizing any of those sophisticated software programs like Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. But apart from that, I'll show you where you can have these designs done for free and with little work. So you can earn money in less than 20 minutes if you do all of this. The great thing about Zazzle is that you just need to upload one design and they will instantly put it on various things like mugs, t-shirts, pillows, phone cases, socks, sweatshirts, and much more. So you won't have to do it yourself. They'll do it for you. What's also really good is that you don't have to pay for anything. There's no investment required. You don't have to have a website to start selling because Zazzle will store them for you, print those designs for you, and ship them to the customer. In addition, if there is any customer query, they will address it. So your only task is to create basic and free designs, as I'll demonstrate it for you here. Then, if you want to make additional money, you can divert the traffic of visitors from other websites too. However, this is a purely optional step. Since Zazzle will advertise such goods for you, and you may gain free traffic from Zazzle, and if I open my tool called a similar web and enter the Zazzle URL into it, you'll notice that over 16 million people visit this website on a monthly basis. So that's a lot of traffic to your shop, as well as a lot of prospective buyers. Obviously, not all 16 million people will purchase your goods, but even if just 0.01% of them do, you will still earn a good profit. Also, keep in mind that the more designs you publish, the more money you may earn. People will have more designs to pick from, as well as more designs to purchase, since they will have more options. It will take you less than a few minutes to develop a design for free. And that it's going to be so much fun and engaging that I'm sure you'll have no problem coming up with several designs every day, at least 5. I mean, there are a lot of individuals on this website who just have 1 or 2 designs and are still generating a great number of sales and a reasonable amount of money. I strongly encourage you to head over to Zazzle.com, explore it, check all the items that are selling here, and look at what sort of designs other people are selling. Masks, for example, are now selling really well, indicating that there is clearly a great need for them. And if you can be creative enough to make some of them to make some eye-catching designs, you can easily get a lot of sales right now. But certainly browse through this website and look around for a minute or two, and it will be the first step. Step 2 is to go to website and click on the button that says Create. This will lead you to the next page where you can learn more about how it works. And the reason Zazzle is a lot better and simpler to use than other similar websites is that this provides you with all of those design templates and components that you can experiment with and build sample designs. As I previously said, creating those designs will be a lot of fun and entertainment. Of course, you can go to this website, explore it, learn more about how it works, and then just click on the Start Creating button. And that will lead you to a page where you can start creating from scratch. Here you can pick all of these various goods that you may create, like apparel, shoes, t-shirts, socks, and much more. You may also create a home and accessories. Moreover, you can design invitation cards and stationery, art and wall decor, wall clocks, workplaces and schools, sports supplies, gadgets, and much more. So you can build designs for all of those things, including the masks. But as an example, I'll start with a basic blank t-shirt to demonstrate how this works. So I'll simply click and choose t-shirt, and here I can see a preview of the t-shirt. I can alter the printing style and change the color of the t-shirt. I can modify it as well as set the size and much more. But to begin designing, you may either choose icons, elements, or tags from the menu on the left, and then simply put it in your design. So if you want to make a t-shirt about animals, you can just click on the animals category and you'll have access to thousands of various completely free icons that you can utilize. For example, if you want to target pet lovers, you can display cat on it. Search for the cats and discover something that's fascinating. Simply click on it and it will be instantly imported to your design, and you can see the preview of how it will appear on the real t-shirt. All it takes is a single click of a button. Of course, if you want to increase your sales, you'll need to spend a little more time and work on these designs. Then you may add some fascinating writing over it, so you have all of these other similar types that you can use, and they will look fantastic. And just write anything that you believe would be appropriate for these types of t-shirts. Suppose if you write cat lover, you see that it appears in many different styles and fonts. You can pick the one which appeals you the most. After experimenting with some of them, you will be able to make the end product, which would be amazing. Simply invest a little more time and effort into your designs. As you can see, it can be a lot of fun and exciting. I genuinely think this is the finest way to make a livelihood, since you're simply playing with various colors, patterns, and icons. And it may be a very enjoyable process. And while you're doing it, you may be able to generate some excellent passive money. So once you're finished producing your first design, you can just click on the share button and you'll get a unique link that will direct people to this product where they can purchase it. Of course, you can only count on Zazzle traffic since they have 16 million monthly visitors and are still expanding and will continue to be in the future. However, if you want to enhance your results, you may leverage some of the traffic sources we'll discuss in a moment. Anyway, just make sure your designs are decent and eye-catching. You can use all of these shapes and elements and icons, or maybe even upload your own files, which you can probably find on Google. Just make sure they don't have a license so you don't get any copyright strikes or issues with it. So be cautious while using Google files. However, if you only use Zazzle icons, components, and text, you will have no concerns since they are completely copyright-free. You may also experiment with different colors, fonts, and sizes. Among other things, you can easily merge everything. It's an exciting process to create such designs. But now, let's look at how you may enhance your results and generate more money by advertising those designs by promoting the products you have designed. So first and foremost, click on the share button to get your link, which will send people to this site where they can purchase your designed products. Now go to youtube.com. And don't worry, you won't be required to make any movies if you don't want to. Simply go to the search box and type in the category of which you have created designs. Suppose your designs are t-shirts, and items are all about cats, pets, and animals. You may look for videos like that. If your t-shirt is about football or sports in general, you may look for football videos. If it's about basketball, look for basketball videos. And in this situation, let's suppose that you have designed t-shirts which are all about cats and animals. Look up amusing cats captions or simply weird cats. And then, after you've finished your search, simply click on the filter button and then click on Creative Commons. And you'll have complete permission to re-upload all of those humorous compilation videos. Now you are permitted to utilize all of those videos on your own channel. So because such films are seen and loved by millions of people, so open up some of those movies, click on the share icon, grab. It's a URL and copy the URL that gets you to any specific video. Go to Google and search for YouTube in MP4, and then open up any of these free online software programs that will enable you to download those YouTube videos for free. Let's use any one. I'm going to paste the YouTube video URL in it and click on MP4 because we need the actual video. Click on Convert, wait until that downloads. It will probably take a couple of seconds, probably less than a minute. Just wait until it loads and click on the download button. The video is now being downloaded to your computer. With that video, you may return to YouTube and submit it to your own channel. Obviously, these kind of videos with ads are not going to be monetized. However, you can leave a link to your Zazzle store and your Zazzle designs in the description of the video at the top of the description. Putting a Zazzle link that way will attract even more traffic to your designs, even more targeted traffic to your store, and hopefully get more sales because everyone watching those types of videos will be interested in the same merchandise. Again, if your design is about fishing, you can clearly search for fishing videos, filter by Creative Commons, re-upload those movies, and then include a Zazzle link in the description. However, do not include a Zazzle link if your designs are about fishing and you are giving links about football or anything not related to it. So they must be aligned in order to attract targeted visitors to your shop to increase revenue. This is clearly an optional step. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. It's just for people who want to optimize their results, have more free time to devote. You can even count on all of that free traffic from Zazzle to make some purchases. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. We hope to meet you guys again in the next video. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.